So the first experiment is about data definition language commands. These are some basics commands included like creating table, altering the table, and truncating the table, and also deleting the table. Now, in the first question, what we are doing is we are creating a table with the specified constraints and data type. So to create a table, we just use create table, the table name and the column name with the data type and its width. Then we will also include the constraint like this. As you can see here, I have given the column name with the data type and width, and mentioning the constraint. Then the table is created as like this. Similarly, I have did for the employee manager table. Now for altering the table, here you can see alter table and the table name. Then we are going to add a new constraint. So here I have added a constraint for the contact phone number. Then I have displayed the table here. You can see in the screenshot. Then now modifying the table also is same as that. Alter table, then customer detail, the table name, then modify command you should include. Then now adding a not null constraint to contact phone using alter command. The same command here you should use here. So I have added a unique constraint here for the sixth question. Same alter table and customer detail, then giving the modify uh, part, and then giving the constraint which we should give given. Now adding the check constraint. So for check constraint we use a little different type of command. Alter table and the table name, then we are adding the constraint with some variable name. Then we are using check, then the for which you should add a check. So you are using customer ID between 101 and 105. You are checking between these IDs. So you can see here. Next, for dropping the specified primary key constraint, I have used drop. So here you can see alter table, then the table name, then drop constraint. Then truncating table in the sense it will delete the columns or sorry rows of the total table, but it will not delete the table. Truncate table, then the table name. Then finally I have dropped the table which I have created.